Best, talking today about what do I need to have available so that I can train students within my company to become CIS certified IPC A-610 associates. You would send one of your trainers or trainers to be to a master site location, and a master trainer would train your instructors who can then instruct inside your firm the various associates or CIS candidates. So for this training to take place on the IPC A-610, we're going to need a certified trainer. We're going to need some way to project the slide deck, which is typically a projector. We're going to need that slide deck that we get once the trainer has been certified. We're also going to need IPC A-610, the revision level that we're training to, books, one for each student. Or if you have a site license for electronic copies, you may just be doing it on PCs. We'll also need some PCs, that is personal computers, to do the testing. So those are the things we'll need. So again, the instructor, and the instructor might have a variety of different handouts, examples, samples, other specifications that they would reference. They would have the slide deck. They would have a way to present the slide deck. And we would need standards for each of the associates being trained. We also need a PC or access to a PC for each of the associates so that they can do the testing and be certified.